Want to speak English confidently? Speak. Learn, practice, improve. Speak English confidently every day. Let's speak English together.
These are almonds. Yummy. I love walnuts. Me too. Cashews are creamy. So good. Pistachios are green. I know. Hazelnuts smell great. Really nice. I bought pecans. Perfect. Brazil nuts are big. Very big. Macadamia nuts are sweet. So tasty. Pine nuts are small. Very small. Peanuts are common. I agree. Chestnuts are warm. So cozy. I like mixed nuts. Same here. This is a coconut. Looks fresh. I made almond toast. Smells amazing. I blend walnuts sometimes. That's healthy. I need more cashews. Let's buy some. Pistachios taste great here. Looks delicious. I'm grinding hazelnuts. For a cake? I store pecans here. Smart idea. This nut is huge. It's a Brazil nut. Macadamia nuts are rich. So creamy. I add pine nuts. Great choice. I love peanut butter. Who doesn't? This chestnut is hot. Be careful. Guests are coming soon. Nuts are ready. Coconut water is refreshing. I agree. Almonds go with bananas. Nice combo. This shell is hard. Use the tool. Fresh cashews smell nice. Let's buy them. Pistachios and yogurt, yum. Healthy breakfast. Hazelnuts are roasting. Smells wonderful. This gift has pecans. What a treat. I'm slicing a Brazil nut. Carefully now. This cookie has macadamia. Tastes amazing. Pine nuts on salad. Sounds tasty. I'm making peanut sauce. Can't wait. Street chestnuts are delicious. So warm. This jar is full. Perfect snack. This coconut is fresh. Looks juicy. Almond butter is smooth. So creamy. Walnuts go in oatmeal. Healthy start. I saved some cashews. Good thinking. Pistachios and granola, nice. Sounds crunchy. These hazelnuts are ready. Let's taste them. Pecans make it fancy. Looks lovely. Brazil nuts with tea. Nice pairing. These macadamia nuts crunch. So satisfying. Pine nuts add flavor. Smells great. Peanuts are my favorite. Mine too. This chestnut peels easily. Well done. Snack time is here. Yes, finally. I'm slicing coconut meat. Looks tasty. Almond butter on crackers. Simple and good. Walnut bread is baking. Can't wait. I found cashews here. Let's grab some. Pistachio cake sounds great. I agree. This hazelnut spread is sweet. So delicious. Pecan pie looks perfect. I can't wait. The recipe needs Brazil nuts. I have some. Macadamia nuts are addictive. So true. Pine nuts on rice. Interesting mix. Roasted peanuts smell good. Let's buy some. I'm roasting chestnuts today. Sounds cozy. This tin has nuts. Great for travel. Coconut milk is creamy. I love it. This is a healthy snack. Looks good. Walnuts make it crunchy. Nice touch. I brought cashews here. Good snack choice. Pistachios make it colorful. Looks beautiful. Hazelnut chocolate is my favorite. Mine too. This gift box has pecans. Such a nice gift. I'm adding Brazil nuts. Sounds delicious. Macadamia ice cream is amazing. I want more. Pine nuts in soup, yum. Never tried that. Peanut butter sandwich time. My favorite lunch. These chestnuts are perfect. So cozy tonight. These jars are gifts. What a nice idea. This coconut is heavy. Let me help. Almond butter and reading. Perfect afternoon. Walnuts with yogurt, great. Healthy choice. Cashews are a great snack. I agree completely. Trail mix needs pistachios. Good idea. These hazelnuts smell wonderful. Almost ready. Pecans for breakfast today. Sounds delicious. This is a Brazil nut. Very interesting. Macadamia nuts are buttery. So smooth. Pine nuts on toast. Never tried it. Peanuts for movie night. Perfect snack. This chestnut is warm. Enjoy it slowly. Party snacks are ready. Looks amazing. Coconut water is cooling. Perfect for summer. Almond butter on waffles. Sounds amazing. Walnut cookies are baking. Smells incredible. I bought fresh cashews. Great choice. Pistachio ice cream, please. Coming right up. This praline is sweet. So delicious. Pecans finish the cake. Looks perfect. Brazil nuts for lunch. Healthy and tasty. This is a perfect snack. I fully agree. I love learning nut names. Great job today.